Caroline, be sweet. Be sweet. Good job. You be sweet. Yeah, you be sweet. No, Mammy, go let him. He's like, get it away. Look, she's like, why don't you lay in here? That's a good bed. Caroline, tell Buddy, say, go sit down. Sit. Good job. Did you hear her? Sit. It sounds bad, I know. Good boy, Mimi. Yeah, tell him, say, go sit down. Mimi, go lay down. Go lay down. Aww. Hey, be sweet, baby. Good job. Good boy, Mimi. He's like, I don't like this. Good boy. That's a good boy. Caroline, no ma'am. No ma'am. Hey. Hey. Buddy. Good boy, Mimi. Say good boy. Caroline, no. No, no. Come here, come see me. Come on. Get her off, get her off, get her off. Caroline, tell Buddy, say go sit. Say sit. Say sit.